for powerful performance for the Gold Star tier goes to Group 11 Golden Eclipse! Are we ready for third place? With a total score of 565.8 points. Third place goes to Lotus! Are we ready for second place? Second place, with a score of 566.5 points. Second place goes to Shanghai! Congratulations, you guys. Are we ready for first? With a total score of 568.6 points, first place goes to Golden Eclipse! Congratulations, you guys! Congratulations, everyone.